Hi there, this is the editor from Robin Hood Dashcam. Welcome to the 5k subscriber special. That's right, over 5,000 people have subscribed to the channel. Thank you so much. I make these videos in my spare time for a bit of fun, so it's nice to know that my efforts are enjoyed by so many of you. Thank you so much, I'm truly humbled. To mark the occasion, I have a piece of footage back from 2018 when I was on my way to do my grocery shopping. This won't be a compilation video, something a bit different in fact. I stumbled across some store staff from my local Morrison store tracking down a potential shoplifter. Let's take a look at what happened and I'll fill in the gaps as we go. Enjoy.
You got a shoplifter?
I think so.
Is that why you're running?
Yeah.
I didn't see anyone, mate. I've got a dash cam, so I've got everyone coming in.
Alright,
If you need me, I'll be in the store. Do you want a car?
Yes,
In you get. We'll pick your pal up.
mate. Yeah, cheers, mate. Fucking hell, it's so unfair. Ty! Where is she? In there?
What's happened? You got some nick stuff then?
Yeah.
A lot of stuff, by the
I
sounds
know.
of it.
I think he said it's over there.
Alright. Let's follow you, man.
He said right here. I don't know about.
Out here somewhere, maybe. Did you get an idea of her?
Young girl.
Young girl.
Where's she up, though? Where's she was, wasn't
Fair enough. Wait for your man to come out.
he? You got her?
Oh wait, pal, I'll do
Cheers,
it.
mate.
You're alright, you're alright.
That's it.
It's alright.
It's around here somewhere.
Alright, we're not just to go to the top and back, see if we can see it
Yeah,
down a side street,
alright.
ducking in the door or something.
That's it, I have.
She knows the area. That's a dead end. So,
Yeah, cool.
but then again, you probably got her on CCTV anyway. Would have thought. Let's have a look, see what we can find. Although, why would you walk back towards where you've just done it? But I guess I'll drop you off.
Cheers, mate. If you come and see me on chicken counter,
I will.
and I'll sort something out for you.
No, it's cool.
Just see me on chicken counter, anyway, mate.
Yeah,
And I'll be on there anyway. Alright, cheers for that, mate.
see you in a minute.
See you in a bit.
Right, so after all that running around, they actually found her. This lady, apparently Romanian girl, recovered all £800 worth of merchandise that she stole, which was pretty cool. Cops are here now. So yeah, that's it, done. Bit of an adventure on a Sunday. Crazy. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Just a few extra bits and pieces to add to it. The lady in question, she was arrested and she was convicted in court for attempted shop theft. She was a member of a travelling gang that was going around the East Midlands, shoplifting from supermarkets and other stores. On this particular day, she attempted, along with another person who wasn't in the video, to steal £800 worth of alcohol, food, meats, that kind of thing from the store. And then upon challenged, she legged it. And that's where the video started. The staff were incredibly thankful for me getting involved, and they did reward me with a case of beer, which was very, very kind of them, and totally not sought after by myself, so it was a very lovely token to receive from them. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you with the next one. Take care. Bye bye.